up? It's me Pooja. Thank you for watching Golgappa Girl. I know I have been MIA since a couple of weeks, but I'm back now. I'm going to be posting constantly. This is my second food vlog in Mumbai, and have you checked out my first food vlog where I talk about 3 of my favorite places in South Bombay? If no, go check it out. I'm going to put the link in the description below. And if you're new on my channel, subscribe kar lo yaar. Today's video is going to be about the unusual street style snacks that you get in Mumbai. Now we have heard and read about so many unusual food items that you get all around the world, like every nook and corner has it, or hum Indians bhi kam nahi hai yaar. From adding chocolate inside momos or topping the pizza stuffing on a dosa, we have done it all. So in today's video I'm going to be taking you to 3 places which serve such unusual dishes. When you're going to look at those dishes, you're going to be like, हाँ ये तो normally लग रहा है, but when you're going to try it out, that's when you're going to feel the difference. So let's go. The first place we are going is Manoj Pasta, which is opposite WTC. That's WTC. We are going to try here. What we're going to try, you're going to see. Let's go.
मारवाड़ी और सिंधी का है।
मारवाड़ियों का? मारवाड़ी पापड़ है।
मारवाड़ी और सिंधी लोग खाते हैं।
So this is khichya papad. The base is the papad, the Marwari Sindhi papad, and the stuffing is of pizza. And the best part, as I told you, is loads of cheese. Now I'm going to take the first bite. By the way, who ever thought that papad and pizza can come together to one place?
मैडम 2 नंबर।
It's so different yet so good. He has used pizza sauce, but if you don't want pizza sauce, you can also use pasta pink sauce, which tastes amazing, equally amazing. And cheese, the best part is, you can refill the cheese if you want. Now I'm gonna eat this, excuse me. The second place that we are going is Gupta Chaat Center, which is near Matunga station. You have tried sev puri and a sandwich, but have you ever thought how will it taste if you bring both of them together? Gupta Chaat Center near Matunga station is famous for its chaat and snacks, but it's also famous for all the unique experiments they try. Let's go and try out the unique sev puri toast sandwich. Might look to you like just another sandwich, but it's not. It's a sev puri toast. I'll tell you exactly what it is. A sev puri, papri, and different types of chutneys and potatoes is clubbed inside this bread along with this green chutney. I am here for my last place. We tried khichya gravy pizza, then we tried sev puri sandwich, and this third dish is unusual. Now what is it gonna be? Any guesses? Okay, no more guesses. I am at Kalu's Rajput fast food and Chinese corner. I am going to be trying chicken pav bhaji here. Now when I'm saying chicken pav bhaji, I don't mean chicken keema served with pav. It's actually chicken pav bhaji. It has shredded chicken or morsels of chicken in your regular bhaji, and I cannot imagine how is it going to taste like. Imagine pav bhaji with chicken on it. So we're going to try it now. Let's go. By the way, it's a really tiny shop. You can miss out on it. So let me just tell you how to exactly find it. Take a right from Shiv Sena Bhavan. and then take a U-turn. It's next to Ashray Hotel. The way to this joint is not given on Zomato as well, so it can be a bit difficult to find it.
मेरा एक कस्टमर है, उसका नाम फिलिप्स है। उसने पहले चिकन पुलाव खाता था, बाद में एक दिन उसे नॉर्मल बोला कि चिकन पाव भाजी आप चिकन फ्राई करके बनाओ, देखो कैसा लगेगा। उसने दोनों आइटम।
I'm just waiting for my chicken pav bhaji. By the way, let me just tell you, this place is open till 4 AM in the morning. So if ever you're in Mumbai and if you have these midnight cravings, you can always come here. The shutter might be closed after 2 AM, but they always give the food with half shutter open. If you want to try anything apart from chicken pav bhaji, you can also try out salty rice.
Here we go!
So this is the last dish of the day, chicken pav bhaji. So this is the normal bhaji that you eat along with shredded chicken. Let's have it. So this is it for today's video. Let me know in the comments below which dish you like the most. By the way, one thing that I forgot to tell you is do not expect any kind of good ambience or proper seating facilities in these three places. These three places are just small joints serving amazing food. So I'm gonna see you next time. If you love this video, please do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and bye bye.